Good morning.
Morning. Is this your reindeers?
Yes, the Rudolph. The Rudolph. Yeah.
My name is Leppi.
Leppi.
Leppi, yes. Yeah, I'm from the aviation authority here in this area.
Yeah. I'm Santa Claus. Yeah.
I think your reindeers have the right horseshoes.
It's a reindeer.
They're reindeer, yeah. They don't have the right horseshoes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a reindeer.
Reindeer.
They don't use horseshoes.
They don't use, yes. Of the regulation 327.1.3, you have to have them. It's not my problem, it's your problem.
I don't understand a word you're saying. Horseshoe, what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to have it, really.
Okay. What can I do in... do you have some horseshoes here?
No, they are not here. Don't you care about the safety and security of flying?
Yes. No problem for 1,000 years.
No. So now, sir, it's not our problem, it's your problem.
Oh.
You are grounded.
Yes, I'm grounded, yes. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Am I reindeer grounded?
You're just grounded. Fine.
1,000 years I've never been stopped. How can I get the package to North America? I finished at Europe.
Santa? Santa?
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing fine, how are you?
I have a problem. I'm here in Iceland and I've been grounded. My reindeer have been grounded. Can you help me?
Of course I can help you. I'll pick you up in 5 minutes.